Hello, Mr. Lincoln's class. I am about to teach you about the Egyptian afterlife. The afterlife was a place of complete bliss, delight, and peace. The afterlife was referred to as the field of rushes and fields of offerings. Evidence on the Egyptian belief about afterlife can be obtained from paintings and decorations on the tomb walls. Eternal life could be ensured by means like body to the gods, mummification, and the provisions of statutory and other fiduciary equipment. More importantly, the pyramids were intended to protect the pharaoh's body. In each pyramid there are tombs made of heavy stone protecting the king's mummy. These heavy stones were supposed to protect the king. However, they were not strong enough. They eventually succumbed to the tomb's robbers, and no bodies were ever discovered. It's said that the organs were treated and placed in clay or stone jars depicting of humans, baboons, falcons, and jackals, which are the protective spirits considered the four sons of Horus. The heart was removed carefully, as it was to be weighed again further to determine goodness. The brain was pulled through the cranial cavity and thrown away because the Egyptians felt that it was useless. But the liver, stomach, lungs, and intestines were carefully removed and saved for their use in the afterlife. According to the ancient mythology, all individuals would enter the underworld, which was terrifying dimensions, which every individual dreaded. The underworld had its own tests, which the individual had to overcome in order to proceed into the blissful afterlife. Ancient Egyptians believed that when the pharaoh died, he became Osiris, king of the dead. The new pharaohs became Horus, god of the heavens and protector of the sun god. This cycle was symbolized by the rising and setting of the sun. Some part of the dead pharaoh's spirit, called the Ka, was believed to remain in the body, and it was thought that if the corpse did not have proper care, the former pharaoh would not be able to carry out his new duties as king of the dead. If this happened, the cycle would be broken. Disaster would befall Egypt. To prevent such a catastrophe, each dead pharaoh was mummified, which preserved his body. Everything that king was needed in the afterlife was provided in his grave.
The end.